Today we learn some basic concepts of thermodynamics. First we learn what is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is a branch of science that deals with energy interaction that takes place between a system and surrounding. What is system? System is a region or space containing matter where our attention is focused. For the study is known as thermodynamic system. In that system we divided three types. First one closed system, second one open system, third one isolated system. First one closed system. What is closed system? The mass within the system is fixed, does not cross the boundary, whereas energy interaction in the form of heat and work. It happens between system and surrounding. It happens between system and surrounding. It does not cross any boundary of the system. That's why it is called closed system. The example for closed system is piston cylinder arrangement without walls. Second one, open system. Mass and energy crosses the energy boundary. In that open system, mass and energy cross the energy boundary. That's why we call open system. Example for this system, working of an air compressor. Third one, isolated system. In this system, mass as well as energy does not cross the boundary. There is no interaction between the system and surrounding. In that, there is no interaction between system and surrounding. That's why no loss, no gain of heat, anything. Example for this, coffee in a thermo flask. Then surroundings. Surroundings means everything external to the system is the surrounding. Everything external to the system is called surrounding. Then boundary. It is a real or imaginary surface that separates the system from the surrounding. It can be fixed or a movable. Consider a system. Here there is movable piston is there. Here fixed boundary is there. Here it is not changes. It is fixed. That's why we call it is fixed. Here piston is movable. It means we apply the force that will comes down, and we remove the force that will goes up. That's why we called movable system. Then property. Property is a characteristics that are observable, measurable, and calculatable are known as properties. Example, pressure, volume, density, which can be measurable, calculatable, observable. That we call properties. Types of properties. Two types are there, intensive property and extensive property. Intensive property is known as property which is independent of mass, which doesn't depend on mass. Example, pressure at a point or temperature at a point. Second one, extensive property. Property which depend upon mass are known as extensive property, which is depends the mass. Will mass is increases, the property will changes. Mass is decreases, property will change. That we call extensive property. Example are volume, energy at a point. Then we can see state. What is state? State is a property at any instant which represents. Property at any instant which represent. Then state diagram. State diagram. Two different property when plotted upon chart represents a third new property. This chart is known as state diagram. We can draw two different property which show third new property that we call state diagram. Example, PV diagram, TS diagram. Then we can see process. Process. When a system changes its state from initial to final point, we can say process. Process examples are Otto cycle, diesel cycle or dual cycle, etc. Types of process are cyclic process, non-cyclic process, quasi-static process. What is cyclic process? Cyclic process means if the initial and final states are identical, the thermodynamic cycle is said to cyclic in nature. In that initial and final states are identical, that cycle is called cyclic process. Second, non-cyclic process. Initial and final states are different. In that initial and final states are different, that we called non-cyclic process. Third one, quasi-static process. A process occurring in a system such that a successive state points are identical. The path traced by the state points are known as quasi-static process. In that system, some successive points are there. We can trace that path. The path is called quasi-static process. Path function, property which depends upon path followed and not the end state. Those properties are known as path function, which depends upon which path taken this property, not upon endpoints, that we call path function. Example, work transfer, heat transfer. Point function. Point function means property which depends upon the end states, initial and final states, and not upon the path traveled, are known as a point function. They are exact differential, which does not depend the path taken by that property. It depends on initial and final states. Approaches to the thermodynamics. First, in that two types, microscopic and macroscopic. Microscopic means if the study of system concentrated upon individual matter or atom molecules of a system. It is study of only individual atom. We concentrated to study the thermodynamic system, individual matter, that we call microscopic. In macroscopic, if the study is done taking into one or more properties, in that study is done taking into one or more properties, that we call macroscopic approaches. When was the thermodynamics is equilibrium? In that three conditions are there. That conditions are mechanical equilibrium. Mechanical equilibrium means there is no unbalanced forces. Second one, chemical equilibrium. When no chemical interaction involved instantaneously, or if reactions are uniform, that we call chemical equilibrium. Third one, thermal equilibrium. When there is no difference in temperature. There is no difference in temperature, only same temperature, that we call thermal equilibrium.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.